Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog Trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Matic. I'm also going to start charting DOT and Solano and some of the other things I charted in the past that I really like that I've been holding that I haven't talked about in a while. But I believe the reason I've been doing Matic and Cardano lately because I think Cardano, with everything that's coming up this month, is going to have a great month. Matic, I think, is going to has a lot more upside than where it's at right now at $1.31. So that's why I'm charting those. But we always start with Bitcoin, guys, because Bitcoin runs the market. Bitcoin and Ethereum run the market. So when it comes to wanting to know what's going to happen in the future with altcoins, you always look at Bitcoin and Ethereum because they will always run the market. So if Bitcoin starts going down, your altcoin will go down. If Ethereum goes down, and Bitcoin's going down depending on the dominance, that could also be a factor. But Bitcoin runs the market in general. So we always want to keep an eye on these two coins, no matter what, guys. No matter what you're in, you always want to keep an eye on that. All right, with that being said, let's jump into the charts here. Right now, we had a little M pattern that developed. It broke down. We came down. We hit a target around 46,700 area. But my purple box here, which I'm going to expand here, okay? We don't want to fall under this purple box. I don't want to see a daily candle close or a 4-hour candle close under 46,000 or give or take a couple $100, maybe 45,800 area. I think if that happens, guys, we'll be looking for my purple box down here in this general area for a nice little bounce, a little retracement, and then a bounce anywhere from 43 area to 42 area. And I believe if we get there, guys, it's going to be a short-lived. So I think it's going to come down. It's going to be bought up really quick, and we're going to go right back up. And we're going to, like I said, test that 51,000 to 51,500 area before we see any kind of major pullback from there. But we're not there yet, guys. So until we're there, this doesn't. I'm still bullish until we break under that $46,000 mark. End of story. That's it. Okay, we're still in an uptrend until that happens. So, guys, there's no panic here. We're actually getting the bounces. I'm doing this video, but let's see what happens here. Could there be more downside? Yes, but this is what we're going to be looking for. Okay. We don't want to see a 4-hour or daily candle close underneath the $46,000 level, and we could see lower levels from there. So that's something you want to look for on Bitcoin. And of course, if we do get the bounce, then yeah, I would definitely want to see us break yesterday's high, which actually came in right around 48,900. So that would be something that I definitely want to see us break and get back up here into the higher area of the zone. All right. So that's Bitcoin. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum kind of played out almost exactly. I mean, we had a W pattern here, and I'll draw this out for you guys, or what you call a double bottom. Okay, we had this pattern play out, and this is on the 1-hour chart. We broke it, and boom, straight to the upside, and that's how that played out. 4-hour. Actually, you could say it was on the 4-hour. Yeah, more of a 4-hour pattern. And that broke out, and that was a nice little trade actually, which is funny because I took that trade and I took it base down here. Hey, I'm glad I did. I caught the bottom. But yeah, I ended up taking that trade, and the target was right around this 33.48 area where I ended up getting out of this trade, and then we did dump. We are getting a little nice bounce, though, off of my 31.89 area, which is nice. So this could be a little reversal. So like I said, guys, we're not out of the woodworks yet here. I wouldn't be too panicky. And then for Ethereum, I wouldn't want to see a candle close under 3,050 a daily or 4-hour. And if that does happen, we definitely don't want to see the 2950 area break, because if that does happen, then yeah, I would look for more downside, maybe into the 26, 27 area. But I'd have to really get into the charts to really be accurate to tell you guys those areas. But that's what I'm looking for at Ethereum for Ethereum. Right now, I want to get a clean break above the 3250 area that we talk about all the time. Um, I want to get a clean break above that, maybe a 4 hour candle close, to go higher, and get past this 3290 area. And that's something that I want to see us push up. We want to push higher on this bounce right here. Let's see. So that's pretty much Ethereum. Cardano. Cardano is always very interesting, guys. Um, we did break down on the 20. We talked about this 20, right? Holding our ground. We broke. We fell underneath it. We came back up. We tested it and got rejected. That's what happened right here on this 4 hour candle here. And we broke down through our zone. We came into our zone. We got the bounce in the zone, but then we ended up getting rejected. So now, if this does come down any farther, I would look for this area right around $2.67 to $2.63. And if that breaks down, 259 would be my last line of defense. Actually, I would not want to see a daily or 4 hour candle close underneath $2.52. If we do that, then yeah, we could look for 230 maybe in my purple box down here. So just keep that in mind, guys, as well. So now you guys know what to look for if we do break down, break these levels. You look for a bounce here, like this. So we look for our first bounce here and higher. And if that doesn't happen and this breaks down, then yeah, we'd want to see this 59 and the 52 hold up. If we get a 4 hour or a daily candle close under there, then I'd be looking for this area down here for a bounce. I don't know if that's going to happen, but you never know what can happen with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin starts to tank, this is a possibility. Okay. It's always a possibility things could go down, guys. All right. But so far, everything's looking good until it's not, right? Until it's not. I'm still looking for higher prices until we break down. When we break down, that's when I'll start to panic. Until then, I'm not panicking because we're still in an uptrend. So it's not a big deal for me. Matic kind of it gave us there was a little. I made a video yesterday and I was bullish on it, and then we got an M pattern. The M pattern broke down on us right here. Then we came down. Oh, actually, in my video I talked about the M pattern being a possibility, and bouncing off of what was it, 37. Oh, here's our M pattern right here. So I made the video. We hit our target right here, around $1.36, $1.37 area, right here. Okay, what was that? Yeah, right there. Yeah. So right here, that was our target for the M pattern. And we got the target. Well, I talked about it. I don't know why I put this line there, but I talked about this potentially being the target for a bounce. We ended up bouncing. We came up. Then we hit my double line right here, that was my main line of concern, a dollar 40 area, which I had two lines there for some reason. I must have double clicked it. But that was a concern of mine, and we did hit it. And then we came back down. We got rejected, and we're still in this channel, guys. So what I'm waiting for this is very easy, right? We could either come up here, come down here, whatever we can do, or we can just break out of here. Eventually, what we want to do though is break this channel. Okay, we want to break this channel. So if you're not in this or you're holding it, this is the stuff you want to see. If you're not in it, then yeah, you can maybe look for lower, or you could wait for this right here for it to break, get confirmation, and then definitely get a bounce off this 137 area, and then it'll look a lot better on the charts. It's a safer play in that sense. Or you can take these chances on these bounces, or scalp trading or whatever you guys decide to do. Guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. But whatever you guys would decide to do in that situation, I don't know where that line came from, but so yeah, so basically we're in this channel, and this is what we would be looking for. Okay, this was last week's low, which was on Sunday, which came in at around $1.35. So we definitely want to break above that and break above the $1.40 area for more upside. So that's pretty much on what we were looking at uh, on Matic. And we want to see if we do break down, guys, we definitely want to see this $1.27 area hold up. Because if not, I do have the $1.18 here. I haven't charted this in a while, but if I have it there, it's there for a reason. So $1.18 and $1.27. We don't want to see $1.27. So we could come down, touch this $1.27, then bounce. But let's just keep an eye on it. Let's see what happens with Bitcoin. That's our main thing. What happens with Bitcoin? Let's make sure we get back above, clear break, a 4-hour candle close above, um, $47,000 again here. And I believe it's 12 o'clock tonight. So yeah, I think that's it, guys. We covered everything. Not in panic mode yet, guys. I told you what to look for more downside, what to look for more upside, any kind of warnings. Yeah, so I'm still bullish. Like I said, I'm still bullish until I'm not. And when I'm not, you guys know my targets on when I'm not bullish. So that's when I would be looking to, maybe scale out and buy back cheaper or whatever you guys want to do. You guys want to hold through it and watch the bounce or however you guys want to play it. But that's up to you guys. Everybody trades a little differently. So listen, guys, much love. Make sure you guys sub to my channel. Make sure you guys hit the bell, hit the all, because they do like to shadow ban me. And this way you guys get all my notifications right away so you don't miss any of my videos. And I'll put a link to my Twitter down in the description. Sometimes things get really ugly. I'll post something. If I'm not busy at the time, like this move here, I was busy at the time, so I couldn't get to my. I like when I chart. I'm not gonna chart on my phone, guys. I'm not gonna do that to you guys. I'm not gonna put you guys in a bad situation. If I'm gonna chart, I'm charting at my spaceship. Okay, that's what I call it, my spaceship. I have monitors everywhere. I want to make sure that when I'm charting, I'm giving you guys the best. I'm not gonna throw something out there and look at it on my phone and then give you guys some hocus pocus or whatever you guys want to call it. But I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the most accurate charting that I personally can give you guys. Okay, so yeah, so we'll see what happens, guys. But right now, yeah, is it looking bad? Yeah, it's not looking good, but it's not looking bad either. I don't know if that makes sense, but um, like I said, under that 46, then I'll start to panic, which I'll be shocked. I mean, I really thought we could get up to this 51 to 51.5 before they would reject us uh, to bring us on a farther pullback, but hey, you never know. This is Bitcoin, guys. Or we could get a bounce here, retest this area, and then get a pullback. I mean, eventually we're going to get this pullback. Is it now or is it later? That's what we're going to find out. And guys, TradingView, I'm using TradingView, and it is free. I'll put a link in the description as well with my Twitter. And you get free 3 free indicators with TradingView. Uh, and if you do decide to pay, you get some more indicators, and you don't get pop-ups. When it's free, you get a bunch of pop-ups. Kind of annoying, um, but I will put a link down there, and it'll give you a $30 coupon. Don't get scared once you click the link and you see they want to charge you money for whatever. Just if you don't want to pay for it, just make an account and go to the charts, and everything's free. All right. So listen, guys. Much love to you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.